Bismillah. Okay, I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna add a little bit. I'm gonna eat the butter chicken with some rice. And if you want to be fancy, you can add a little bit of this. And get some chicken. And then, oh yeah, also if you want, you can add some extra heavy cream. I'll also put some in my food. Time to dig in. Bismillah. This tastes, this smells, this looks so good. You guys need to make this. This is so delicious. I suggest every single person who watches this video to make it. Thank you guys for watching my video. Make sure you subscribe and like the video. Assalamu alaikum. Bye. Bon appetit.